Welcome to the Fuel Up Show. Today, we'll be discussing the Federal Reserve's recent success in the battle against inflation. In December 2020, there was a 0.1% decrease in the Consumer Price Index, the biggest drop since April 2020. The decline in gas prices, combined with interest rate increases from the Fed, have resulted in a decrease in inflation. The Federal Reserve is now a step closer to beating inflation. Mark Zandi, chief economist at Moody's Analytics, said, "If they're doing a forecast, which is what they should be doing, it strongly argues that the rate increases should be coming to an end soon. There's nothing not to like about this report. Inflation is going to come down here." Dean Baker, senior economist at the Center for Economics and Policy Research, said, "Time for the Fed to declare victory and stop rate hikes." However, the Federal Reserve is being cautiously optimistic. Jerome Powell, the chair of the Fed, said recently that the services less shelter component of inflation is a key consideration as rents costs are likely to ebb later this year. The benchmark interest rate, the federal funds rate, has been increased several times since March of 2022, and the Fed's inflation target is 2%. Though the economy has been able to withstand the interest rate hikes, wages continue to rise as well and threaten to send inflation higher. Randy Frederick, managing director of trading and derivatives for Charles Schwab, said, "If you can engineer a decline in inflation without crushing the jobs market, that's the Goldilocks soft landing." That's kind of what we've seen with the data we got last week and with inflation today. Right now, the market expects the Federal Open Market Committee to decrease the Fed funds rate to 0.25 percentage points on February 1st, and then by another quarter point in March. The most likely outcome, according to Simona Makuta, chief economist at State Street Global Advisors, is that the Fed will adopt a conservative approach and pause before the committee decides to potentially drop the rate by half a percentage point. The Fed's recent success in battling inflation provides a glimmer of hope, but the jury is still out on what the best path forward is. Keep tuning in for more updates about the Federal Reserve and for more helpful economic insights. Thanks for watching.